chalk box disappeared.
I got your chalk box.
Always something disappearing out of my box.
I say anybody who puts in a friggin' window without peeling sealing is a friggin' idiot.
I agree with you.
Yeah, stupid. Stick a window on a house, put siding around the friggin' thing without peeling seal. It's just dumb.
Hey, because they cuss us out, don't you know it?
Hey, one more. Change out this door and screen.
Somebody.
Yeah, ripping this mobile home door out. Funny thing about these mobile homes, sorry about that, Harlan, is the trim, the actual door casing comes out past, and the screen is literally hooked to it. So these doors, a lot of people want to get new screens put on them, and it's impossible to do, just about, because of the way they make these doors. They don't sell the door screen separately from the door, so when you got rotted wood all over the place, very rotted here. That's a good thing she got this one done out. It was leaking up here above before we put this metal roof and rubber roof here, so that's what you get with a mobile home door. They're kind of pretty crappy, but we can make them. I'm gonna put a house door in here and make it a lot better. Put a regular house door in it. Be a much better door. The height, you're gonna have to cut the height too. Nice, matches the roof. Very nice. Mobile home renovation. Big time. A lot going on here. Changed the two doors. Took all the siding off. Peeled and sealed all the windows. Changed that door there. Changed this door here. Painted all the ceilings. That was done this weekend. Actually, painted all the ceilings Sunday. Changed out both front and back doors today. We still gotta paint them tomorrow. Paint all the trim, anyways. We changed all the interior window trim on the windows. Made them look like regular house windows. Sure did. Sills and everything on all the windows. And we still have a couple more windows left, but doors are in. Everything here is set up. Painted the ceilings. This is the trim we're doing on the windows. Still have to be painted. It's nice though. Looks so much better house trim on here than this is the original, what they look like. Had that little mobile home stuff going around it, you know how they do. And there's not really much to it. We went ahead and really put some real trim on them. 1x on the inside, ripped down, and regular casing on the outside. Everything here is looking great. Cleaning up for the day though. It's Monday, 3:30. So we're going to come back tomorrow to refinish. I got 3 windows to case out on the inside. Some lattice work to do on the outside. That's about it. Maybe a couple of the miscellaneous things. Hopefully she'll get these last shutters painted up today. Got about 5 more to go.